If you want to know how to transform your bathtub from this to this using this, stay tuned. Hey good people, welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In today's Mommy Room Redo Friday hack, we'll show you how to achieve a spotless bathtub using the Pumie Scouring Stick or pumice stone. Let's get started. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Well, we call it a pumice stone, but in the Dollar Tree, they called it a scouring stick. Same difference. What's funny is that I stopped using a pumice stone for my feet, which is what people usually think of them for, because to me, it really doesn't work. Maybe that's TMI. But I did find that this gadget right here does wonders as a cleaning agent. As the box says, this scouring stick by Pumie can clean deep stains from tubs, toilets, rust off of various metal items, and it does great for the stove too. So I don't know if you've come across this product. This was the first time I've come across it. Simply wet the scouring stick or pumice stone and then begin scrubbing all of the problem areas in your bathtub. This handy cleaner can remove grit and grime as well as rust spots in just a few minutes. A scouring stick or pumice stone can help you move from this grimy bathtub to the spotless one in just a few minutes. So, what hack would you like to see next? Let us know down in the comments. If we select your suggestion, we will shout you out in an upcoming video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Take care.